Welcome back to MuleSoft Unleashed. Today I'm going to walk you through two amazing features of Curie Tech AI that can save hours of manual work for integration architects and developers. Diagram Document Generator. Both are designed to turn your MuleSoft code into clear, professional visuals and documentation in seconds. Let's dive in. First, log into Curie Tech AI and navigate to the Diagram Generator option. You'll see two diagram types available. One, sequence diagram, two, flow diagram. For both, you can either connect directly to a repository or upload code from your local machine. The only requirement, you need to have some basic code ready. Since I already have code on my local system, I'll upload it. My workspace not in the MuleSoft folder, it's inside AnyPoint Studio. Let me navigate after uploading. I'll select one of my 3 flows and submit the task. The job moves from submitted to processing. And in just 22 seconds, the diagram is ready. For context, here's the simple demo flow. HTTP listener, logger, MuleSoft Agentforce component, transformer for the response message. It starts at start conversion, calls Salesforce to start an agent, and returns the response. You can export the diagram as a PNG file. Now let's ask CurieTech AI to elaborate the diagram. Within a minute, we get a more detailed version that includes 1. HTTP request to start conversion. 2. Logger that prints flow started, start conversation. 3. Agentforce component with Salesforce authentication, OAuth token retrieval, agent initiation and response fetching. 4. API call to Salesforce with authentication details. 5. Response retrieval. 6. Transformer to prepare the output. 7. HTTP response in JSON format. It's impressive how it picks up even the logger messages from the code. Let's push it further, generating sequence diagrams for all 3 endpoints. Start conversion, end conversation, end conversation. Yes, same name in this demo. Curie Tech AI handles it effortlessly. Now, I'll generate flow diagrams for all 3 flows. Once, due to a small glitch, the task runs and produces a detailed diagram showing each step in the code. We can even switch to a brief version of the diagram for a simpler overview. As an integration architect, I'm blown away by the speed. Complex diagrams generated in seconds. The only limitation, the output is an PNG file, so it's not directly editable for custom business needs. Still, it's a fantastic reference that can save hours of manual diagramming work. This tool is a game changer for architects and developers alike, allowing you to create design diagrams in seconds. Let's dive in. Let's check out another powerful feature of CurieTech AI, the document generator. Just like the diagram generator, you can either connect via a repository or upload code from your local machine. The only requirement is the same. You need some basic code prepared to use this feature. I already have my code locally, so I'll upload it. Since this is a trusted environment, uploading from my laptop is perfectly fine. Once the code is uploaded, I'll select one of the 3 flows in my project and submit the task. The backend processing begins. The job moves from submitted to processing to in progress. In just a short time, CurieTech AI produces a design document starting with the endpoint for the selected flow, a sequence diagram of the process, the flow name and a high-level summary of what the code does. A flow diagram for visual context. Schema and input-output examples. Empty here since I didn't include any RAML. The generated document goes deeper, including step-by-step flow execution details, error handling descriptions, mapping tables, logging information, security considerations, and more. For this demo, I didn't include unit scenarios, so that section is blank. It even documents configuration details like HTTP listener port 8081, listener path Salesforce credentials used in the flow. The design document can be exported as HTML, DOCX, or Markup. Let's export to DOCX. Now I have an editable file that I can update as needed for my business requirements. Next, I tried generating documentation for multiple flows in my project. Code on my local system, I'll upload it. My first attempt threw an error, but after retrying, it worked. I selected 2 flows, submitted the task, and the final document included complete details for both flows, combining all diagrams, summaries, and technical specifics into one exportable file. That's the document generator in action, turning your MuleSoft code into full, editable design documentation in minutes. In just minutes, Curie Tech AI can produce professional sequence flow diagrams, full technical design documents, exportable, editable files for further customization. For integration architects, this means less time spent on manual documentation and more time building solutions. If you enjoyed this demo, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my next video. And drop a comment if there's something specific you'd like me to cover next.